house can be damaged for various reasons. It can be caused by natural disasters such as storms, earthquakes, and floods. Insufficient care and maintenance, including pest infestations, can also lead to damage. To prevent house damage, regular care, repairs, and inspections are important to ensure that it is safe and sturdy. If you have concerns about the condition of your home, you can contact K&T Custom Builds. K&T Custom Builds excels in top-quality contractor services and renovations to turn your dream spaces into reality. Our experienced team offers tailored solutions to meet your needs, including renovation, construction, remodeling, plans permits, patio covers, pergolas, flooring, cabinets, countertops, and many more. Contact K&T Custom Builds today for a free estimate.